Hello, this is an unboxing video, manufacturer number 2259104. This is made by Umarex Walther tactical folding knife. I'm going to open it up so you can get a good visual of what's inside the box and how it comes packaged. Inside here it comes with a nice case for your knife, also with the strap. Just going to unpackage the knife here so you can get a good visual of it. It does have a belt buckle clip on there for you. It does say Walther on both sides here in the middle. Just open it up here. It's silver blade. And then to close it, there's a little catch right here. You just simply press it over and you can just push it in as you're folding the knife back down inside. And again, this is made by Umarex. It's a Walther tactical folding knife.